Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are lower overnight. I think most of the weakness in corn and wheat has to do with the president of Ukraine saying that the corridor will be extended another 120 days. Market was still waiting for news that Russia might extend the corridor, but right now it looks like it automatically will be extended after November 19th. So Europe had the quickest reaction. European farmers sold corn, driving prices to 12-week lows. And I think that for the most part, their fear is that cheaper Ukraine corn will come in to Europe. Also, the European Matif wheat futures were down, thinking that perhaps this also means that the Russian bank had its sanctions removed, and this will help increase Russian wheat exports to buyers. They continue to be the cheapest wheat in the world, especially versus U.S. hard red winter wheat. So we also note that in the beans and all commodities, markets are lower. There could be concern about on the demand side of things as maybe prices are too high. Or maybe people have less disposable income, whether it's countries or individuals, and maybe they won't buy as many raw materials. The Chinese data continues to suggest a weak economy. They are buying beans from South America. There was rumors that they bought 3 cargoes of U.S. beans yesterday from the P&W, but the total amounts that they are buying from the U.S. continue to suggest lower export numbers than what the USDA is saying. For all three, corn, beans, and wheat, we'll be watching the export sales data today and see if that moves the needle at all. But beans, January beans are trading below the support at 14.22 this morning. We've got corn back to 6.57. And probably a trade below 656 could suggest a test of 640. We're also looking at the red D's 23 contract could also go back and test the lows of 603 that we recently saw. Wheat market continues to trade lower, led by Chicago. KC is not as much down. And Minneapolis is even down less. But again, it's the corridor trade for Chicago. And it looks like La Nina is still going to be around for a while with dry conditions in the southern plains, across the Mississippi River, southern Brazil, and also southern Argentina. So we'll see how long that lasts and if the market wants to trade that. So again, lower trade. Corn and wheat because of the corridor. Dollars higher, stocks are lower, most commodities are lower. Again, there might be concern about just overall commodity demand. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.